The easiest way to create an expense in PaTMa is normally via the bank feed, where you can turn expense transactions straight into expense records within the system. However, there are cases where you can't use a bank feed. Perhaps if you've purchased something in cash and you only have a receipt for that, and you need to enter that into the system. And you can do that using the expenses section of PaTMa, where you can choose to add an expense for a property, which is the most common type of expense, and you just fill in the form. We choose the property, we set the date that we've made the purchase, choose the payment method as cash, enter the amount, whatever it might be. You can record the supplier as well and enter a description, whatever it is. So I don't know, perhaps we purchased a new tap, and choose the appropriate tax category. You can optionally upload a copy of the receipt if you've taken a photo of it or similar, or scanned it in. If you've already done that and sent it into your document inbox within PaTMa, then you can also choose to take that photo or document from the document inbox to use on this expense. And once you've filled in all those details, simply click Save, and there we have our new expense added to our PaTMa account.